Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aizat Nabil Jalil and my matric number is 056941. My supervisor are Dr. Roslan bin Awang. Today, I would like to present my final year project which named Fabrication of Portable Plastic Waste PET Crushing Machine. Before we start, I would like to tell that due to the COVID-19 pandemic, university and workshop are closed. So the process of fabricating the plastic crushing machine cannot be complete entirely. So as the solution of the problem, the fabrication process of the plastic crushing machine is substituted by using simulation on the SolidWorks. So next, this is my project overview. This machine's primary purpose is to cut the PET plastic bottle into small pieces, which are regularly from flakes that can be recycled. The recycling recovers the raw material which help produce a new product. Okay, next, this is my 3D model view. First one is isometric view, the second one is top view, and the third one is front view. Okay, for my problem statement, number one is PET plastic is the most widely produced, consumed, and recycled plastic in the world. A huge amount of PET that is not recycled poses a threat to the environment, negatively affecting the marine life and human health. Plastic part is the one of the hardest recycling items to be recycled. The third one is the existing machine that used to crush plastic bottles are not economical and cannot be used for daily life. Next, for my objective, number one is to study the existing PET plastic crusher machine that can recycle and user-friendly. Second, to design and fabricate a model of portable PET plastic crusher machine by using a 3D printer. The third one is to demonstrate the portable PET plastic crusher machine by using SolidWorks. Next, scope for my project focus on PET plastic waste that commonly used to produce plastic bottle. The second one is the studies focus on plastic PET material disposal in the UNIZA area. The third one is this project focus among the UNIZA society. This is my exploded view and build of material. There are around 20 parts in my product. Model size of my machine the height is 197 mm, the width are 226 mm, and the length 420 mm. The size are not too big, it is very comfortable, lightweight and portable. So consumer can use it anywhere. Next, the costing for my product are RM350. Okay, so this is the simulation and assembly for my product that I make using the SolidWorks. Okay, next, the flow process for my machine the input is PET plastic bottle. The process shredding process. The plastic bottle will be put into the shredder. The blade will rotate and start shred the bottle. The output for this project the plastic bottle that has been shredded will come out into the small flake. The first one is polystyrene resins. PET in the form of resin is used to use a component of paints and lacquer, and when combined with coloring agent, it is used for making durable composite on the basis of polyester textiles. Second one is polyester films. Wide area of PET application, single and multi-layer films used to manufacturing industrial packages and food product package. The third one is textile fibers. Particular properties such as tensile strength, abrasion resistance, and low moisture absorbing capacity make PET the most important raw material for manufacturing synthetic fiber. Next, the vascular prostate. PET now is widely used in the medical application. It is good tissue compatible. PET used for vascular prostate employed in the treatment of chronic venous insufficiency. For shoe, the PET plastic are used to make running shoe. New Balance has introduced a new running shoe which is made 90% of recycled plastic, PET plastic. Noveltiness of the invention. The first one is portable. This means consumer able to be easily carried or moved, especially because the machine are lightweight and small version. The second one is raise awareness and ease people to recycle plastic bottle. And the last one is safety. This machine have all the safety features. Okay, next, our target customer are household, educational institution, waste management, and public cleaning service. So there are some of design improvement that can be made in the future. First one is adding additional blade or increasing the blade size to improve the blade effectiveness to crush the plastic bottle. Second one is increased engine power should be considered. This machine will break the plastic more smoothly and quickly. Third one is to facilitate the consumer control of speed of the spinning blade based on the kind of plastic they can crushing. The last one is the modification in one feature from this operating system project, which is the Arduino, should be regarded to be entirely automated. Therefore, the customer does not have to manually start and stop the button. It will be easier for consumer to utilize this concept. So for the conclusion of my project, this project will be very reliable aid to the community. There were a hope that plastic bottle is not anymore an issue to doing kind of recycle thing in our life. By develop of this automated PET plastic ration machine, the way recycled plastic part will become easier if you use it wisely and usefully. So that's all from me. Thank you.